Hello, everyone. It's me, Mrs. Gronert, and today we are going to practice reading the sounds of the alphabet. The first time we read through the sounds, I want you to try to remember and say the sound before I do. Then we'll read through all of the sounds again a little bit faster. Are you ready? Let's read some sounds. Ah. Mm. B b b b b. W w w w w. X, x. G g g g g. E. O. Mm. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ah. D d d d d. J j j j j. Z. P p p p p. Qu qu qu. Er. T t t. V v v. Okay, now let's practice those sounds again, but this time we're going to read through all of them faster. Let's do it. G g g. B b b. Ah. I. J j j. Mm. X x x. N. Ah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Pa 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 pa. Oh. Qua qua qua. Bo 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 bo. S. Eh. T t t. Z. V v v v v. D d d d d. Wow, we did it! We read through all of the sounds of the alphabet 2 times. Great job, everyone. I hope to see you again very soon.